Hey guys, Astral here. So introducing one of my top analysts that graduated top of his class.
In today's video, we'll be talking about Tesla. On Sunday the 2nd, they released their Q4 delivery numbers and it beat Wall Street's expectations and by a big margin, which is why we ran so much today, almost $145. Now onto the technicals. Today's gap was a breakaway gap from the last 5 days or last week's sideways range. We gapped up and ran, so going into tomorrow, we're looking for a price continuation to the upside. A good target for tomorrow is that gap fill above around all-time highs or 1250 will be major resistance and where we'll see a lot of selling pressure. 1250 is the magic number based on the options market. You can see for this week's Friday expiration, there is a massive amount of OI or open interest sitting there. Open interest just means the amount of contracts that have yet to close out, and most of the time there are soon to be sold calls, which is bearish, meaning big money want to make sure Tesla closes below 1250 for the week.
Entry would be break of 1201, go up to the previous highs 1243 if we can get there. And if it breaks 1243, it's heading to 1265.